Hey people, so I need to shoot this video because it's not every day that I'm sitting like this with this little guy. And when a rabbit sits with its feet like that, it's at its most convenient. I think it responded to the name, to the word rabbit, because these animals are very intelligent. So this is I don't want to mention the name because it will become wide awake. We were watching podcasts together, and yeah, Shicha eats his carrot here. I don't normally shoot such candid videos, but it just feels nice, yeah. Just spending time with a little soul, and that's what I intend to make more of such videos because candid videos are best. So yeah, this is my little Tucky. I call it Lucky really, and I'm so glad I have this little sweetheart. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.